my channel. It's your girl Kayla, and today we are going to be doing this sunset ocean eyes inspired look. I've been wanting to mess around with orange a lot. As you guys know, I love neutrals, and I was really inspired to do this pop of color on the under eye, unlike most of the halo eyes, the orange halo eyes that I've seen, where they just do an orange, burnt orange, smoked out lower lash. And I really wanted to do a teal color, so I used the Jaclyn Hill palette and the Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics and by Morphe. I absolutely love these palettes. I just bought them today. If you guys are new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button to join the family of queens and kings, and also hit that notification bell so you know when a future video goes out, because YouTube likes to play us. Leave a comment down below on if you guys like my tutorials. I've been trying to get the quality a lot better. I've got a new camera. I think I've mentioned that already. I have a new lens. I have, you know, all the works. So hopefully these videos come out great. I need to get a mic. I'm tired of bringing my snowball over and filming. And I film and live in two different areas. So it's a hassle. It's a hassle. So I'm working on getting a mic. That'll be my next purchase. But yeah. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get started. I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium Honey, and I'm just going to be blending that out over my eye. Next, I'm going into my Jaclyn Hill palette and taking the shade Creamsicle and applying that in my crease and blending it up to my brow bone. From the Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm taking this yellow shade that has a tint of orange and applying that right over Creamsicle. Next, I'm taking this burnt orange color and applying that all over the lid and just leaving the center blank because we're going to cut it out anyway, so there's no point in filling it in. Then I'm going to take Firework from the Jaclyn Hill palette and apply that right over the burnt orange from the Take Me to Brazil palette. And you'll see me going back and forth with blending. So I'm going to take a clean blending brush and blend the yellow and the orange together so it just goes seamlessly, kind of like a fireworky sunset. Next, I'm going to cut the crease with my Light Medium Honey Shape Tape. And then I didn't cut this one as nice as I cut the other one, but you know, bear with me, it still came out great. I think so. So I'm going to go over the outer edges with a light orange shade from the Take Me to Brazil palette. And then I'm going to go over it with this lemon yellow shade right in the inner parts of the eye, but leaving the center still open. As you can see, I messed up, but I went back and blended it out, so it's fine. I took the shade 1 by 1 from ColourPop and the shade Sissy from the Jaclyn Hill palette, applied some Fix Plus to my brush and hit that in the center of the lid to give it that nice pop. And then I went over with the yellow and orange shade from the Take Me to Brazil palette and then blended all the outer edges out with the burnt orange shade from Take Me to Brazil. I'm going to tightline my lid with the LA Girl brown eyeliner pencil, and yes, I do this terribly. Don't judge me. Then I'm going to apply some mascara, and I didn't show you guys these products for some reason, but I'm taking my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara on my top lashes, and then later on I'll go over it with my bottom lashes as well. Then I'm going to be applying these lashes from Dollar Lash Club. As you guys know, these are my favorites. My favorite brand, it is Sabrina. Moving on to the face, I'm going to be applying my Urbandecay Optical Illusion Primer to smooth out any imperfections that I have. Then taking my Maybelline Superstay foundation in Golden and my Urbandecay All Nighter foundation in 7.5. I'm going to mix those two to give me a full coverage base. I've been really into full coverage lately. I mean, I love it every now and then, but I'm just really loving it right now. Taking my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium, I'm going to apply that on my under eyes to brighten my face along with my nose, and later on I went on my chin and my forehead, but right now I'm going to start contouring my nose. So I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Coverage I cannot pronounce this. I'm taking it in the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to be contouring my nose and trying to blend that out. I wanted it to be more prominent and there. You know, I didn't want it to be too blended in, because if not, my contour doesn't really work for me. So I just decided to do it a little different today. So don't hate me for my contour. Next, I'm going to blend out my under eye concealer and taking my Beauty Bakerie Flower Powder in the shade Yellow. I'm going to apply that to my under eyes and then blend that away. And I'm making sure to blend out my contour even more so it seems a little bit more, not super natural, but a little bit more natural. Next, I'm taking the shade Jada on the lower lash line and going right over that with Pool Party, and that just really gave it that pop that I was looking for, that I really wanted, and absolutely loved the way it came out. I went ahead and took a fluffy shader brush and just started blending that out. And then I would not recommend doing this, but I'm taking my NYX Glam liner. I believe it's in the shade Aqua. I could be wrong. I'll put it down below. But I applied this on my lower lash line. I was freaking out thinking it was going to mess up my eyes really bad and make them water, but it actually didn't really do anything because it's for your eyes, I guess. I just thought it was weird applying a liquid liner down there, but yeah. So I also applied my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara on my lower lashes. And then I went in with my bronzer, my NYX Deep Tan Bronzer, and just started bronzing up my face so that it doesn't look so fat. And then I went ahead and took my MAC Fix Plus to set everything in together, but also giving me a chance to apply my highlighter and really make it pop. I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills X Amrezy highlighter, and I'm going to be applying that all over my face to make me look like a glazed donut. By the way, today is June 1st while I'm recording this voiceover, so happy donut day. I'm going ahead and cleaning up my bronzer because I don't do this in this order, but it just wasn't working for me. So I went ahead and cleaned it up and just wiped away the bake. Next, I took my Wet n Wild Coloricon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. It's my favorite. I need to buy more. I know. Next, I'm taking this Wet n Wild lip liner. I'm not sure the color, but I'll leave it down below. And I applied it on my lips and left the center bare because I took my NYX Powder Puff Lippie in the shade Cool Intentions on the inner parts of my lips. And I also blended it out to the outer edges of my lips as well, but it gave it that nice like vajoom that I needed. Lastly, I'm taking the Make It Last setting spray to set my face, and that is it for this tutorial.
So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button once again to join the family of queens and kings. Hit that notification bell to know when a future video goes out, because if not, no, YouTube will not tell you. YouTube won't tell you, and it's just as simple as that. And I will hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.